In today's video, I'll show you how to add a recovery email to your Gmail and Google account. This is an important step for securing your account and ensuring you can recover it if you ever lose access. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Once you're in your account settings, look for the security tab. Now scroll down on the ways we can verify if it's you section. Or you can simply tap on protect your account as well. Here you can find a way to add recovery email. Tap on it. Now you may need to enter your password. Now here you can enter your recovery email. Google will send a verification code to that email. Check your inbox and enter the code to verify it. Once you've verified the code, you will see a confirmation that your recovery email has been added successfully. It's a good idea to review your other security settings like two-factor verification authentication to further protect your account. And that's it. You've successfully added a recovery email to your Gmail and Google account.